You've never seen chicken stir fry like this. It's fast, flavor packed, and goes with anything like ramen or rice. It's your call.
Lots of nice flavors, they blend real well. A little sweet, salty, tangy. The vegetables, they give it a nice crunch, to balance it all out with the noodles. Let me try it with the egg now. The little runny consistency it gives sort of softens everything up. So without the vegetables, it's a nice little addition to it.
Okay, so let's make today chicken stir fry. Let's make a quick dinner, which contains our vegetables of broccoli and carrots here. Here's our carrots, we have our broccoli, and we're gonna use all our nice little Asian flair and flavors. And I've already cleaned our chicken with some acid, which is some lemon juice, and I rinsed it off, pat it dry, and now we're gonna season it together. So now we're gonna season our chicken. I am going to put just a little bit of olive oil on it so it could adhere. Our Montreal chicken seasoning, bouillon, chicken bouillon seasoning, a tablespoon. My green seasoning, it's just basically some onions and some parsley and some garlic and some red and green bell peppers minced up. My family calls this a piece, so it's my green seasoning. My black pepper. Here's our vitamin content. Just a dash of like Himalayan salt. Ginger paste in here. My garlic paste. Just massage all of this here. I'm gonna add some soy sauce and we're gonna let it marinate for a few hours. If you have to do it quickly, you can let it for 30 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna mince some garlic. Remember, claw your fingers back. Some fresh garlic. I'm just gonna mince some garlic and some onions. We're now gonna move on and make our sauce. I just have some water in here. I'm gonna add some cornstarch because this is gonna be our thickener. So we can make a slurry. And we're gonna add some soy sauce to it. Just mix this up. So it'd be like a paste. And this is gonna help thicken your sauce. You can use potato starch if you don't have cornstarch, arrowroot as well, or potato starch, like I said, if you're gluten-free, that works well too, because not all cornstarch is gluten-free. I'm gonna add some soy sauce to that, add some hoisin sauce. Now all your measurements and ingredients will be included in the video. Here are a list of ingredients. Mix it so it's all mixed in well. Okay, so I have some clarified melted butter in here. This is just optional, what I like. You don't have to use it, but you do need to have some oil to cook your chicken. I'm also gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my pan with this clarified butter. You can use avocado oil, vegetable oil, that's what you have on hand, whatever you have on hand. I do have some sesame oil here that I'll also be adding. So let's get our chicken cooking. So I'm just gonna cook up our chicken. I'm going to add, which we should always add, some onion powder and garlic powder. So I'm just gonna add some onion powder. All your dishes need to have some onion powder and garlic powder, honey. Some garlic powder as well. And let's cook up our chicken here. Once it's cooked up, I'm gonna remove it and start to get our vegetables and our onions and garlic, our carrots and our broccoli a little softened. Then I'll put it back in and I'll put the sauce. Okay, so our chicken is now cooked. We're going to transfer it to a bowl. Chicken is cooked. And we're going to now use the flavoring in here, the leftover liquid, to steam up our broccoli and our carrots and our onions and garlic. Okay, so we're putting our onions in, our garlic, put our broccoli in here. Some of our carrots. Look at the beautiful colors. Orange and green. I'm going to add some sesame oil. Now a little goes a long way. Ginger and some more garlic paste here. Okay, I'm just going to add just a little chicken broth, just a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flake. And I'm going to stir this in here and put my lid on and just let it. Okay, so now we're going to add our chicken back in here. Just kind of like toss this, gently toss it. So I just want to show you how much the sauce thickens. So if you can see that. The way it shows you that it's thick because it coats the back of your spoon. See? So here we are with a chicken stir fry all completed. We paired it with our ramen and sunny side egg. And I just topped it off with some everything bagel. So our resident taste tester is here, Gio, and he is going to taste it.
Let's try it. Has lots of nice flavors, you know, they blend real well. A little sweet, salty, tangy. The vegetables, they give it a nice crunch, you know, to balance it all out with the noodles. Let me try it with the egg now.
Okay, I just have some chicken and broccoli.
But the little runny consistency it gives, it sort of softens everything up. So without the vegetables, it's a nice little addition to it.
Okay, so for me, that broccoli has a nice firmness to it still. So that's what he's talking about, the crunch. The chicken is so flavorful with all those seasonings. And then that sauce from it is, like he said, a true balance of a little bit of the sweetness from the hoisin, the oyster sauce, and the brown sugar. Then you get that saltiness from the soy sauce. So it has a great contrast and balance. He's right. The softness of the egg definitely adds to all the textures that you have going on. The firmness, the softness, a little bit of the chewiness. It's a great balance, great contrast. So thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Definitely give this a try. It's a quick meal for you guys, so you can do for your family. And we will see you in our next video. Thank you. Remember, be good to yourself.